Hello everyone, welcome back, and this is One Vlogger, and today I'm gonna talk about a DIY project of making a fan in summer for yourself, like to get some amount of air. It's going to be a USB powered fan, and this fan, you can see, it's a Maritech, it's a Martech DC brushless fan, and the model, I'm not gonna say that, it's like 12 volt DC, 0.13 ampere, 1.56 watt, and it's made in China. So this fan was used in my PC, like the CPU of PC, for the cooling system. Like it used to cool my PC motherboard and certain stuff inside. That CPU is not working anymore. I took this fan out, and like there are 3 cables. I don't know about the yellow one, but I know about this, the red and the black. So I'm gonna show you. I don't know if you can see. Can you see those wires? Yes. So it's like they're ready for connection. I cut a USB lightning cable used for my iPhone. It was not working. So like I cut this portion, that portion, I cut it out, and I'm gonna insert it in my power bank. So this fan, you're ready to use it with your power bank like that, and you turn on the power bank. I'm connecting the red and black wires. There are 4 wires here, so the red and black, they are needed, and I'm connecting those red and black wires together, like red to red and black to black. It's like that. You connect them. Once they are connected, the whole fan is connected with this USB cable. And now, when I power it, like I start the power, the fan rotates. It is now rotating. And this is like a low speed fan. When it's summer, like you're sweating a lot, you can use the fan from this distance, and it's gonna give you that air. It's not very speedy, but this is going to be speedy if you're increasing the motor power for that, but it's gonna drain your battery soon. So you can tape it, like you can arrange it as you want, but I'm gonna keep it like that, and I'm gonna use this for my like Know Your Situation. It's actually for a situation where there is not any air and you were dripping with sweat, and that's gonna give you like real satisfaction when a little amount of air like that comes to your face from this distance. From here you won't get any air, like you won't feel it, but from this distance you're gonna feel this air, and you can just use it for some time and just to relax yourself. And this fan, the air comes from this side and goes that way. So like it comes from this side and goes that way. So that's why you should use this side towards your face. And that's it. That's the DIY project of like a really harsh situation where you find no air. You really need some air to relax yourself and to take the sweat away. So this was it. I hope that you liked the video. If you liked it, do hit like, share and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notifications, like bell icon for quick notifications. That's it. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, take care and ciao.